Week 2 of making my indie mobile game. I added a lot of stuff from last time and wanting to share it with you all. First, I put a lot of stuff in the shop. Some are skins. Some are power-ups. I draw for each enemy some skins using Pixel Studio. Go check it out if you are a pixel art lover. It's a fun software to use and it's free on Steam. I made for the 3 types of enemies some skins and priced them with coins you can get from clearing the stages or from the endless. Even some recolors for the blade that you use to cut the enemies. And some sprites for the cannon that shoot the circle enemy too. I did some backgrounds. Some of them are pixelated, so I added some particle effects in Unity. And some other backgrounds that I made with shader graph particle effects. And finally, I made a section specifically for the power-ups. You can increase the number of hearts you have and other factors from the game that I will talk about soon. Now for some gameplay changes. For the higher difficulties, I make it that you must slice in a certain direction depending on what the arrow point at. If not, you will take damage. You can buy more hearts from the shop to survive more. Notice that the missing heart is being regenerated with time. It will take 30 seconds to regenerate that missing heart. You can make it faster from the shop. Now if somehow you got overwhelmed, and you will, trust me, you can activate the watch below to slow time a little. But you will get less score from defeating enemies that way. Score can be used to determine the number of coins you will get at the end of a level. Some stages will demand that you don't use the time slow ability to get the 3 stars. The triangle now has a problem. Maybe 2 spawns on top of each other with different direction to cut. Now they will redirect each other so you can now slice safely. I'm trying to make the game challenging but at the same time fair. Now here is a very easy stage with only 2 missions. Each will give a star. But that's not the thing I want to show here. I made a 10% chance that an enemy will spawn red. That means it's a bomb. And you must not touch it. I also added a bar on the right that tells you how much progress you got in the stage. This is the first stage, so it's kinda of a tutorial for how to slice the enemies. It's really easy. I made a pause menu with some power-ups that you can use to aid you in the stage. Now I don't have any. And I won't show them here. I will leave them for the release of the game for you guys to see. Finally, for the harder difficulties, I made the arrows go in 8 directions instead of 4. They are also colored here. Each color indicate an effect. Some of them good for you, some of them not. If you get hit here, you will receive 2 damage instead of 1. If you guys have some cool concepts or ideas to be implemented in this game, types of enemies you think are great here, please tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.